Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can run YouTube ads on YouTube. So to do that, go ahead and open up your YouTube application and make sure that your YouTube channel is public. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on You, which is up here on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on View Channel. Now here what you can do is, if you want to promote any type of videos, then what you can do is tap on that video and tap on that three dots. Now go ahead and tap on Share. Now go ahead and tap on Copy Link, and once you copied the link, go back to the home page and open up your Safari or any web browser, and in the search box go ahead and search for Google Ads. Now go ahead and tap on Sign into Google Ads. Tap on Start Now. Now here it will ask you for your business name. For example, I'll just type in Sue's Company and type in Next. If you have got any website, go ahead and type down your website and again tap on Next. Again tap on Next. Now here you can see what your main advertising goal is. You can just select any of the option you want and tap on Next. Now once you do that, it will ask you what do you want to focus on. You can just select anyone and again tap on Next. And here in the search box, you can just go ahead and paste the link that you have just copied from your YouTube channel and tap on Next. Just go ahead and enter your description on line 1 and enter the description for line 2. And now once you tap on Next, choose the location and language for your customers. Now once you select the country and the location, you can just go ahead and tap on Next. Now select the gender, target the age group and tap on Next. Now once you do that, you have to enter a daily budget on how much you want to spend on running that ad on your video. You can just select the end date. Now you can just tap on Next and review your ads, and you can just go to the billing section. Now it says that you have to confirm your payment, and once you confirm the payment, the ad will start running on your video that you have uploaded on YouTube. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.